In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Figma. If you've ever made a change and immediately thought, nope, not that, this will save you time and stress. We'll cover two simple ways to undo an action, along with a few tips to make sure it works the way you expect. First, open Figma and load the file you're working on. This works the same whether you're in the desktop app or using Figma in a browser. Make sure the file is active so your commands apply to the canvas you're editing. The first method uses the menu. Look to the very top left corner of the Figma window for the colorful Figma icon. Click that to open the main menu. In the menu that appears, go to Edit, then click Undo. When you do this, Figma rolls back your most recent change. You'll often see the last action listed right beside Undo, such as Undo Move or Undo Color Change, which helps you confirm exactly what's being reversed. If you're currently typing inside a text box and you want to undo a canvas change instead of just removing typed characters, press Escape to exit text editing first, then use the Undo command from the menu. The second method is the fastest. Use the keyboard shortcut. On Windows and other PC keyboards, press Ctrl+Z. On a Mac, press Command+Z. Every press steps you back one change at a time, so you can tap it repeatedly to walk through your recent edits. This is especially helpful for quickly reversing a series of small adjustments, like nudges, color tweaks, or layer reorders. Keep in mind that if your text cursor is active inside a text layer, the shortcut will undo typing within that text layer. Click on the canvas or press Escape if you intend to undo a layout or object change instead. A few useful tips as you use Undo. Figma tracks your own actions in the currently open file, so in collaborative files you're only undoing your contributions, not someone else's work. If Undo seems unresponsive, make sure the Figma window is focused and the file is selected, then try again. Also, Undo history is tied to the session for that file. Closing or reloading the file generally clears the stack of actions you can step back through. That's it. Use the Figma menu via the icon at the top left and choose Edit, then Undo, or rely on the shortcut, Ctrl+Z on Windows, Command+Z on Mac, for the quickest way back. With these two options, and a little awareness of focus and text editing, you can confidently explore and refine your designs without fear of making a mistake.